All right, guys. So this is pretty exciting. I am using Grok. You can do this in ChatGPT too. I'm training the AI to help me find bargains. So you can train your AI GPT to become an expert investor, and then you can talk to it and then have it find some bargains or tell you if the stock you're looking at meets that criteria. What a great friend. You can have AI be your investor friend, and your investor friend will have vast knowledge and will help you talk to you and maybe save you a bunch of money. So I have here a few case studies, like Apple at the bottom was a bargain, a bunch of information about what it looked like price wise, some context of, there was a recession, the market was down, 2009, the price, the market cap, and then the valuations. The valuations are super helpful. I'll probably work on this more, but maybe I'll give it a chart as well in each one of these cases. Here's another case. In 2022, Meta was a bargain, and that was a great purchase. 2022, $88 per share. I think it's like it, 3, 4, 500. I don't even know, but it did really well. I also put Palantir. Palantir wasn't a bargain per se, but it was a fair valuation. And, Palantir went from $6 to over 150, almost 160. And I want my model to know some of that. Okay, here's how you do it. I'm using Grok. You can do this in ChatGPT, but you're going to make a new project. So I made a new project, and then you have to upload a context file. That's what I did. I uploaded an attachment. That file you just saw, I typed it out and then I upload it. So now it works like a memory. Now it works like a memory, and it can keep that file every time I talk to it in this project. The other thing you have to do is you have to give it some instructions. It's almost like an agent. I don't know if they call it an agent, but I think of it as an agent. So here I go. These are the instructions. You are a helpful stock researcher. You help look for bargain stocks. You help find companies that grow over 15% per year in earnings. You look for companies that are temporarily discounted but have a history of growing sales and earnings. You look for companies that are trading near tangible book value and typically at or below 2x price to sales but have a history of trading around 10 times sales. Like Meta had a history of growing trading around 10 times sales, and it went to 2 times sales. So that's an obvious bargain. You have to be a little flexible, otherwise it will probably have issues. So now it really helps if you've been trading and investing for a long time and you know what you're looking for. So, like, I get it that some people will be new, but like right now it shouldn't give me too many ideas. But let's say, hey, give me some. Let's see what it says. Give me some stock ideas based on I what you and I are looking for. Let's see what it says. Sip a little coffee while it does that. So here it goes. Based on what we uploaded and what we're looking for, it's giving me stock ideas. Now, then I'm gonna have to go research. But what a great tool. I think it's going to be very hard right now because stock prices are elevated right now. But imagine the market tanked and then the tool started looking. I think that's when it's going to be super fun. Ooh, I like PayPal, and it's actually on my buy list. So it found one that I actually like. That's awesome. The other three I have to do the research on, but what a great tool. Now, If you need help with this, I am willing to help you. I'm working on the context file. Maybe I'll give away the context file because I'm gonna keep making that file better. But you should make your own file. Look at the best stocks you have ever seen in your life. Make a context file with as much information as possible, and then make your own workspace. It took me 20 seconds to put it all together. The context file took a little more time, but this is super cool. If you do have questions, put a comment. I know I have an email on the YouTube page, but reach out to me if you need help. This is all free, and I'm willing to help people for free. But once this is super good, I could see people selling something like this. So let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you on the next one.